First exercise.
YouTube, what's up? I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be reacting to a video by name 7 minutes 7 exercises to build big arms. No equipment. You want to build big arms? Let's get right into it, bro.
First exercise.
Sit on the edge of a chair. Your fingers should be pointed at your feet. Your legs extended with the heels touching the ground. Press into your palms to lift your body and slide forward just far enough that your behind clears the edge of the chair. Lower yourself until your elbows are bent between 45 to 90 degrees. Push yourself back up slowly until your arms are almost straight. Repeat.
Well, this is a great exercise to really engage your tricep. That's right here. You know what I'm saying? This is the bench dip. This is to really engage your tricep. This will help you to grow a bigger tricep, and this is no equipment. All you just have to do is just sit at the edge of a chair or at the edge of a bench, get in this position and do it. You know what I'm saying? At least 20 reps for like 3 sets will get you a really great pump right there. So let's keep watching.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Egg compression.
Sit on the edge of a chair so that only your buttocks rest on the seat. Your knees should be bent. With your right hand, grasp your left leg from under the knee, keeping your left leg completely relaxed. Exhale as you lift it off the floor with your arm by flexing your elbow. Hold for a count of 2 and squeeze your biceps. Inhale as you lower your leg to the starting position. Repeat.
Well, this is another great exercise to grow your bicep without equipment. You know what I'm saying? All you have to do is just grab one leg and, you know what I'm saying, coil it. That's why it's called leg concentration coil. It's more of like a concentration to really engage your bicep. This will give you a peak bicep. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, without no equipment, you can grow a bigger bicep just doing this. So let's keep watching. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
10 seconds left.
Also, you can just do this for like 2 sets for 15 reps, and this will get you going. 2 sets for 15 reps. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Next exercise.
So basically, we're done on the right side. So now we moved over to the left side. Basically, after you're done with this side, move over to this side. The first exercise we did was the bench dip. This engaged the 2 triceps. So nothing like left to right. We are already engaging the both. For this side, you know what I'm saying? After the left, you go to the right. So we are doing the left side right now. Yo, big guns. You can build the big guns with this. Yo, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What you think? Do you think this will actually engage your bicep? What are your thoughts? In the comment section. Let's hear you. Have you tried this out?
Rest.
All right, it's rest period right now. You know what I'm saying? You gotta rest from the bench press, the bench dip and the leg concentration cores. So next exercise.
Next exercise.
Start in a push-up position, with the feet hip-width apart, and a hand slightly narrower than shoulder width. Width apart, and a... Start in a push-up position.
Next exercise.
Start in a push-up position, with the feet hip-width apart, and a hand slightly narrower than shoulder width. Place the hands forward in front of the shoulders, instead directly under the shoulders. Now begin by bending just by the elbows, and lower the body until the forearms and elbows touching the ground. Now, press down into the ground from the triceps, and push the body back up towards the starting position. Repeat.
Well, you can see this is also another great exercise to really engage your tricep. This is the body weight extension, you know what I'm saying, for your tricep. So if you are looking to build a really, really deep cut triceps, this is the right exercise you should do. Now you can do this exercise for like 3 sets for 12 reps. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm giving you the sets and the reps. They're actually giving you 45 seconds. You can do this for 45 seconds, but I'm actually saying for you to see a much improvement, you can do it for 3 sets for 12 reps. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So if you want a custom coaching or a custom training plan, I can help you out. So let's go.
10 seconds left. Rest.
Rest. Rest for like 15 seconds and we get right into the next exercise.
Next exercise.
Oh, everybody. Push up.
Start in a push-up position, with your hands wider and closer to your waist. And then rotate your hands so that your fingers are pointing towards your toes. Only go as far as your wrist mobility allows. Now, lean forward a bit, and lower down as far as you can go. Maintaining a neutral spine, push your body up off the ground with control. Repeat.
Wow, this is a good one too. This really engage your bicep and also mostly your tricep, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can already see how this exercise is being done. Just lie down, reverse push-ups, you know what I'm saying? Just like when you do your normal push-ups and you have to try this like in a reverse position. Hopefully you're not way too overweight to get to try this, because when you're a bit overweight, it can be a little bit difficult to try the reverse. Hopefully you're fit. If you're a bit overweight, just see other bicep exercises you can do, and also try to do more of cardio to bring your weight down. So let's keep watching.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Place both palms on the wall. Hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and legs about 1 to 2 feet away from the wall. Now, start bending your elbows, until both elbows and forearms touches the wall. Raise your elbows by pushing a wall by your palms, and bend it again. Do this fast 4 times in a row. Then hold for a second in a starting position, and repeat.
Well, this is a good one too. This is an exercise to engage your tricep. You know what I'm saying? So all you have to do is just place your hand on the wall, standing close to the wall. Place your hand on the wall, and you can see how it's being extended. And this will actually engage your tricep. You know You know what I'm saying? A very good one. I love this. The wall pulse. Yeah.
Ten seconds left. Rest.
Rests. Ooh. Why you resting? You grooving. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
Last exercise.
Position yourself on the ground with legs fully extended and hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart at the level of your chest. Inhale and lower yourself towards the floor by leaning forward and allowing your elbows to bend. As your chest almost touches the ground, arch your back upwards and begin to push up through your hands. Continue to arch backward and push through your hands until your arms are fully extended. Repeat.
All right, this is the Cobra push-up. This one as well, you know what I'm saying, will engage some parts of your body, or mostly your tricep. So engage your chest, your hamstring, your glutes, your calves, you know what I'm saying, but it also engages your tricep. And you know what I'm saying, we are trying to grow our arms. So far it targets our triceps, so far it's hitting our arms. Yeah. And as you can see, most of these exercises compromise or like consist of mostly tricep exercise, which is actually good because tricep is what helps to make your arm look way more swole. You know what I'm saying? It consists like most of like what makes your arm look really, really big. So it's actually okay, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.
10 seconds left. Workout.
All right, workout complete. That'll be it for the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. These exercises will help you without no equipment to get your arms looking whoa, you know what I'm saying? So hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried these exercises before? What do you think? All right, and see you in the next one. Peace.